Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to design apparel on the Printed Mint website. As you can see, we have a ton of different stuff to choose from, all the way from tanks to tees to baby clothes, baby hats, baby bibs, all sorts of stuff. But today I'm going to show you one of our most popular products, the Bella Canvas Unisex Tee. Okay, so here is the product page for the Bella Canvas Tee. From here you can see all the different sizes we offer, all the different colors we offer. Toggle between them. Don't worry, you don't have to choose your color quite yet for your design. Here you can look at the product info. This will tell you what it's made of, which may or may not affect the way that your design looks. For more information on how that could affect the way your design looks, check out our DTG fabric guide. I'll link it in the description of this video. Here's the design file info. Something to note is that for apparel, you always want to export as a PNG. Those files are going to have a transparent background, so that way your t-shirt color can show through blank parts of your design. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and click design. In this tutorial, I'm only going to be covering the most important parts of the design editor for designing apparel. If you would like a detailed explanation and tutorial on how to use our design editor, we also have a video on that. I'll link it at the end. I would like to point out that there is the outline of a front pocket right here. This item does not actually come with a front pocket, but you can use this for reference just to know where generally a front pocket would go on a design. So for my design, I know that I really like the tan shirt, and I did already design my file back in Canva. So I'm going to go to my files. You can upload here. I've already uploaded mine. So here's my design. It's plant themed. I love plants. It says, "You grow, girl." I want to make sure that everything important on my design fits well within this safe area. So I would like to scale this down just a little bit by pulling this corner in. Okay, and then that's pretty much it for the front of my design. I already messed with a lot of the small details when I did design this earlier in Canva. So now it's time to move to the back of the t-shirt. There is an additional fee for designing both sides of a t-shirt. You can find more information on that on our product page. For the back, I'm going to insert my own text. So the front of the shirt said, "You grow, girl." I want the back of the shirt to say, "I'm rooting for you." I like this font of "Love You Like a Sister" for the back. I really like this one. And then I'm just going to scale it up to fit almost all the way to the ends. And then I'm imagining a plant with roots, just in case these people don't understand the pun. You know, just make it very clear. So I already have a plant with roots and I've uploaded it to my file. So all I have to do is go here and click choose. So there it is. I could scale all the way up, but the design editor is telling me that this design is not high enough quality to be this large. When I scale it up, the print quality is only at a medium. So let me just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so once again, here's the front of my design and here is the back. Okay, going on to the next screen. This is where I can see my mock-ups. I always recommend looking at the mock-ups just to make sure you have the front of the shirt on the front, the back of the shirt on the back, and that the placement is generally where you thought it would be. Don't go off of this for very, very small details, but just use the mock-up to get a general sense of what your product will turn out like. From this screen, you can also choose whatever colors you want to be available to your customers. I would not recommend selecting every single color before you look at what your design looks like with every single color. For this one, I think maybe a pink could go. I don't know. Let's check it. Silver looks good. Let's see. Red is not really doing it for me, so I'm going to deselect red. Yellow could be cute too. Okay, so these are the colors I like. I want to make sure this shirt is offered in more than just a small, so I can go small, medium, large, extra large, and the 2XL and the 3XL do have a slight additional fee, so that's something to note when you're offering that in your shop, but for this case, I want to offer all these shirts. Okay, so this is my design. From here, I can click download mockup, but I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Okay, so this is my product name. I'm going to put plants just so I can remember for my own sake, and then I'll just go ahead and click save and open. Okay, so here's my design. I can look at what it looks like with all of these different colors. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Tune back into Printed Mint for more Printed Mint content.